Hi. I just saying regarding the people being imported in the airport.
Yes.
And I don't really agree because they're civilian. They're just running away from crisis. They try to get a safer place, to get a better life, to improve their life. If the United States refused, if Trump said, I'm not happy to allow the immigrants in my country,
Yes.
or not helping them, at least, okay, ban the citizenship. Don't allow them to have the citizenship. Let them live along the society. Let them live their life, but with their own nationality, with their own Syrian nationality. As soon as the country is safe, they can go back.
Okay, Aman, can I ask you a question? Or Ayman, is it Ayman? I apologise.
Ayman, yeah.
I apologise. Let me ask you a question directly, and please don't take offence at the question. Why is it, help me understand, always help me, why is it we see Muslims running from Muslim countries to Christian countries for a better life? Does that not tell us something about Muslims, the religion of Islam? Why is it always Christian countries that need to save Muslim countries? Help me understand.
It's at the moment, Muslim himself, there's issue inside Islam. There's issues between Sunnah and Shia. There's so many issues that digs deep to a civil war. Islam. At the moment, Islam is not in the perfect shape, to be honest.
No.
Because of the division that we have, the division. There's some of them, they say, you follow the West. Some of them, they say, no, you follow Islamic State. So there's so much division over there that causes us to go to civil war.
But Ayman, if Islam is not in a perfect shape, which I respect your honesty, and there's divisions between Sunni and Shia and others, why then would America want to import those divisions? Why should America want those divisions on its shores? Why is it always Christian countries that need to import problems to solve them, when in fact if I tried to go over to a Muslim country, I would be seen as less and required to dress a certain way and have all the problems, the divisions put upon me if I went to a Muslim country, but somehow Christian countries are supposed to open their arms, open their borders and solve the problems of Islam. I'm really conflicted by trying to understand that.
I do understand your point as well, but at the same time, I feel for the people who live in there a bit. If the Western was in the same situation and the Middle East was in upper hand where the United States, I expected the same from that side as well to get help. But at the moment, the Western in the better shape that the Middle East needed more help. Because
I know, but I almost feel, Ayman, I can't help but be really honest with you. I feel like the Western world is in a better shape because we have Christian religions which seem to be less oppressive in some regards, especially with those who are more extreme in the way they practice them. And I can't help but wonder why Muslims who come over here escaping the problems they have living under their religion don't leave that religion behind as well. I don't know why it is that we have, when we have done a survey over in the UK about a Muslim religion, Muslims say they don't want to integrate with Western society. They don't really want to integrate. They want to preserve the Muslim tradition, Islamic traditions. I struggle with that, of course, because that's something many of them were escaping, that division. So that's why I don't see why it's in Americans' interest to bring the divisions of Islam, to bring the divided religion that is Islam into the USA.